When creating a new presentation, here are two overlooked commands: import outline and reuse slides. You can import an outline that's a Word document, and PowerPoint will use the heading styles to determine new slides and bullet points. Or you can use a text file with indented lines indicating bullet points. Let's import the text file and see what PowerPoint does. We'll click on File, and we will open. You'll see it says All Outlines here. Let's click on the text file, and Outlook creates 5 slides with bullet points. Now, if we have a slide deck that we want to pull slides from and add it to this deck, the other great feature is reuse slides. So let's go up to the New Slides and slide all the way down here and go to Reuse Slides. Now, PowerPoint has remembered a previous deck I have pulled slides from. Let's use that. The current slide is slide 4, and I want to pull slide 5 from the other deck and put it immediately after. As soon as I click that, you'll see it appears as slide 5 in the current deck. This is a great feature if you've got standard slides that your company uses or your team uses or you use for each of your slide decks. Here's hoping that this saves you a lot of time in the future.